Give me 60 seconds and I'll kill your fear of AI. It's easy to get caught up in the doom scrolling of AI hype, the deep fakes, the coming AI apocalypse, the misinformation and lies that people are spreading through AI, the replacement theories. But that's the thing. These things are just that, theories. AI can't replace you or any human being. You're created by God, so intricately woven down to the smallest neuron, a godlike being, something AI will never be able to become. AI is a tool to be wielded in the hands of a master craftsman, to create progress and innovation, to push humankind forward, like electricity. And just like electricity, you can start a fire or you can bring light. You still have control. You have control to build, prompt, and guide AI. You are its maker, its creator, and the creation can never overtake the creator. Master it and do not become its slave. Just like money, it's an incredible slave, but a horrible master. The future designer, entrepreneur, and student will use AI to win, not to be replaced. But those who turn fear into clarity will be the ones who win in this new revolution.